EPA Degree Meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for April 15th, 2021. For your Thursday, we have an upper level low that has moved to the eastern Great Lakes today. We have a surface low that is offshore. This has been modeled very poorly over the last couple of days. And what looked like it was going to be a decent amount of rain for at least parts of our area has gone away because this area low pressure that is off the Delmarva is not going to be too far offshore to do anything here. It will, though, benefit areas in New England with rain and snow. As you know, if you follow along the videos all throughout the week, it looked like we were going to have an opportunity for snow in our far northeastern areas of our coverage area just a couple days ago. And now it's not only is it not going to do that, but we're going to have very little in the way of precipitation from this system, because the bulk of this is going to remain offshore until it wraps up. And when it wraps up, it's going to be over, it's going to benefit areas over New England, interior New England, with that rain and or snow. So the upper level low is still in the right position, but we have some miscommunication with the model guidance a little bit, and it really didn't pan out exactly the way it projected just a few days ago. So we're going to have less precipitation. That's the bottom line today. So we're going to have some rain showers move into parts of the area, favoring our eastern areas, especially areas across New Jersey. But just scattered showers, isolated or scattered over Pennsylvania for the most part, and it's going to be for a very short window of time when that occurs. So this is looking at this morning, and then as we wrap up through the day here, you can see the areas of showers are going to be up in these areas right here, northeast PA, maybe parts of east central PA get into it a little bit, and then mostly across New Jersey for that rain. And then once this system finally wraps up, it's going to do so south of Nantucket, and so interior parts of New England are going to get into some rain and snow. As a matter of fact, move over to a precipitation type map. You can see the snow over parts of eastern New York State, Vermont, New Hampshire, and western Massachusetts could get into that. Actually, northern Connecticut as well. Some of those areas could get a few inches of snow out of that, but we will not get into that. The upper level low is going to be right over top of our region here overnight tonight. But before I get to that, let's get to the NAM high-res future simulator radar. I'm going to start this off at 8 o'clock this morning. Not a lot going on here at this point. There will be some increase in activity as we move throughout the day, though. It's going to be scattered showers, and they're going to be, again, parts of east central Pennsylvania might get down to the Lehigh Valley here, and across northeast PA as well, with those scattered showers, just light showers, not a real big deal. But the concentration of this is going to be across central and northern New Jersey, maybe even coastal Jersey a little bit. But then that's going to move out as we get toward the evening. Still leftover isolated showers still possible through the evening, though, until the system finally pulls away and gets out of our area. On Friday, the upper level low is going to be situated a little bit further northeast, though. And since the upper level low is still in the vicinity, there are going to be a few wraparound showers, rain showers, mind you. Just so we left a stray shower in the forecast with mostly cloudy skies here on Friday. So if you look at the temperatures, that is going to be the biggest deal over the next 2 days. It's not going to be the rain so much because we're really not expecting too much of it at all. So I just have cloudy here. I couldn't find an image that had cloudy with just a few rain showers. So for most of us, it's just going to be cloudy today. You're going to have a few showers moving across the areas I mentioned. 55 to 60 degrees is going to be the highs today from north to south, and tomorrow it's going to be bottoming out, so to speak, with highs in the 50 to 55 degree range. But again, mostly cloudy skies, stray shower here on Friday until this upper level low and surface low move away. And then Saturday's going to be much improved. We're going to look at partly cloudy skies, and temperatures going to be increasing a little bit. Not a ton here. It's still going to be under the influence of a little cool air mass here. So we're going to get in that kind of 55 to 60, maybe 58 to 62 range for high temperatures here on Saturday. And then we'll continue to increase on Sunday in the 60 to 65 degree range, I think. But we'll have an opportunity again for on Sunday with a couple weak vorticity impulses in the region. And one could affect the region here on Sunday during the day. You could have a stray shower with that, or a stray or isolated shower with one vorticity impulse, and the second one's going to move through here on Monday afternoon. Another chance for an isolated shower later in the day on Monday, with temperatures similar both Sunday and Monday in generally that 60 to 65 degree range from north to south. Okay, so once we get past that, we have a partly cloudy skies expectation for Tuesday. And Tuesday is going to turn warmer because we're ahead of a cold front, which you can see here. and that is going to be, that means winds are going to turn to the southwest. We'll have temperatures in the mid to upper 60s to near 70 degrees, 65 to 70 degrees here on Tuesday from north to south. This cold front is actually going to move through either very late Tuesday night or early Wednesday morning. Could touch off a stray shower across any part of the region as this does so, but not a lot of precipitation with that either. And then on the other side of this, we are going to be a little bit cooler as we head into Thursday through Sunday of next week, where temperatures will be near to slightly below average, but nothing really crazy. So average at that time is in the 60 to 65 degree range. We'll probably be in the upper 50s to low 60s for several consecutive days through Sunday. So it's not like a real cold shot. I've been seeing a lot of things out there on social media posted about this big cold shot coming next week. Cold is relative this time of year, and I don't know. I don't understand why people don't understand the concept. Einstein has a theory of relativity, and everything is relative, right? The theory of relativity, everything is relative. Same thing with temperatures. It's relative. It's relative to the time of year you're talking about. We're not talking about cold like 30s and 40s, and for some reason people are thinking that. They see these blue maps and think that that's an insane cold temperatures. It's just a couple degrees below average. Temperatures will be in the upper 50s to low 60s. Not terrible, but it does look like we're going to go through a little bit of a dry stretch toward the end of next week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for April 15th, 2021. Have a great Thursday.